Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Kewpie salad dressing. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including the star Kewpie mayonnaise. You'll also need rice vinegar, soy sauce, a touch of sugar, and a hint of sesame oil. Accuracy in measurement is key to achieving that perfect balance of sweet, savory, and tangy notes. We'll then combine everything to create a wonderfully smooth and rich dressing that elevates any salad. Let's begin by adding 1/2 cup of Kewpie mayonnaise to a mixing bowl. This forms the creamy base of our dressing. Next, carefully measure and pour in 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. This provides the essential tanginess that brightens the flavor. Then, incorporate 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, which introduces a lovely umami depth, balancing the richness of the mayonnaise. Stir these ingredients gently to start the blending process. Now let's fine-tune the flavor. Add 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar to the mixture. This balances the acidity and enhances the overall taste profile. Follow this with 1/2 teaspoon of toasted sesame oil, which imparts a wonderful nutty aroma and a subtle depth. Finally, whisk all the ingredients together vigorously until the dressing is completely smooth, creamy, and beautifully emulsified. This ensures every bite is perfectly coated. Your delicious homemade Kewpie salad dressing is now ready to enjoy. Drizzle it generously over green salads, pasta salads, or even use it as a dipping sauce for vegetables. For any leftovers, transfer the dressing to an airtight container and refrigerate it. It will stay fresh and flavorful for up to 5 days, ready for your next meal. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to enhance your home experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.